there's big misconception about respiration when it comes to students. Students think of respiration as like breathing. When you breathe in, breathe out, that's like respiration. Respiration is not breathing. It has very little to do with breathing. Usually, look at the definition I wrote here on top. I wrote respiration, RE, is release of energy. So when you release energy from what you eat. So for instance, this guy is eating, he eats whatever, like proteins, carbohydrates, etc. Then all of these stuff, all the things you eat, you know what you're going to do with them? You're going to turn them into a molecule, sugar, known as glucose. What are you going to do with the glucose then? Then that glucose combines with oxygen. So you're going to have to combine this with oxygen from the air you breathe. What do you do with that? Together, that glucose and oxygen, you're going to get energy out of it. So you combine them inside your cells, you get energy, and you're going to use that energy for what? You can use that energy for movement, for exercise, to keep warm, right? So there are many different uses of energy in your body. So like, especially when it's cold, you would eat more, you would consume more food in winter because we want to keep warm. That's one use of energy, right? So again, respiration, when you release energy from the food you eat. Now, we have one word. This word was asked twice about in a previous exam or in past exam papers. The word is metabolism. What does it mean when I say metabolism? Metabolism is like all reactions that happen inside your body, right? So all chemical reactions like growth, when you make proteins, when you break down food, just like a general word to describe all reactions that take place inside your body, we call it metabolism, okay? So again, this definition is worth 2 marks. Release of energy for all the events that happen inside your body. That's known as respiration.